So I have two projects going right now for alternative energy and renewable energy sources. This is a geobacter battery right here. Just a layer of mud with two stainless steel meshes on top and wires coming out to this supercapacitor. It is currently charging at 161 millivolts. And this is a radiant energy device. And you can see the antenna here. That is just carbon filters, like a pre-filter for a house furnace. Why I went with these carbon filters for the antenna structure is that activated carbon, as the electrons go through, it makes more resonance with a porous surface. Think of it like water hitting riprap or rocks. Like it reflects many different angles, and this ends up creating more electrons being released. And that is the theory for using a activated carbon pre-filter for an antenna. So these are 2.2 microfarads, and these are 100 microfarads at 25 volts. And these are Shakti diodes going around from negative to positive, and then you just have the positive negative cable coming out. I haven't color coded them because it kept switching as I was using in different areas, and I have to figure that out still. But it's really easy to just use the multimeter and check before hooking up to anything. But at the moment, it's only producing 40 to 60 to 80 sometimes at a peak millivolts. And so I need to get that higher, maybe by using a larger antenna or by using a different arrangement of capacitors. These ceramic capacitors could be larger or smaller, as could be these under the rectification. These two capacitors could also be larger or smaller, and that could change the frequency it's tapping into, especially for radios. So I'm going to investigate that more and see if I can get it to be more efficient. As for the geobacter, I'm happy with its performance so far. Considering it's only a small amount of a single tubware, this is like the lowest cost project I've ever done. And still, several hours later, just charging up a supercapacitor at 161 millivolts. So I'll easily be able to get this done after, actually I've only been charging this for 20 minutes, but I should be able to get it up there pretty soon. Let's check the actual voltage. So it's 1.6 volts, and this only takes 2.8, which is, on the high end for a supercapacitor. But that should be enough to do considerable amount of electronics work once it gets charged up. Check it out. I mean, I'll be doing updates and trying different metals, materials, different arrangements, but these are the very basic setup of these two renewable energy scavenging systems.